As a complete auto repair, we do oil changes to engine replacements and everything in between. Tires, brakes, maintenance, so anything inside the engine compartment, underneath the vehicle, interior, we do all that. We offer a 3-year, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty. No matter where you're at in the United States, you're covered in any of our repairs. We perform courtesy inspections on every vehicle that comes in the door at no charge. So when we inspect your vehicle, we use a tablet and we do inspections with pictures. So if we find something good or bad, take a picture of it and it'll be there in your inspection. We're very transparent with pricing and service, warranties, pictures, inspections. We'll do whatever it takes to make you feel comfortable that you're getting the right repair. So we have 4 technicians here. They're all certified. Some are master certified ASE technicians. Training is very big here. Service advisors as well as the technicians all get training and certified on a yearly basis. We are a Napa Auto Care facility, so most of our parts do come from Napa. But again, we offer the 3-year, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty. So no matter what part we put on your vehicle, it's going to be covered for 3-year, 36,000. Willoughby Hills Auto Repair, started by our family to serve your family.